With Ordoro's batch order processing feature, you can create and update shipping labels for multiple orders simultaneously, saving time and ensuring efficiency. Start by selecting orders that have similar shipping settings. The number of selected orders will appear on the panel. Go to the Shipping Label panel to review and adjust shipping settings. You can apply presets or manually update the carrier, service, and package details by clicking the checkboxes. Click the Update Orders button to apply changes. This recalculates the shipping cost for the entire batch, displaying the total cost for all labels. Once everything is set, click the Create Labels button. After generating the labels, select your printing preferences: thermal printer, desktop, or custom. You can also choose to print additional documents like packing slips. Click the View Print button to continue. The labels will open as a multi-page PDF in your browser, ready to print directly from there. Bulk label creation makes it easy to process large volumes of shipments quickly and efficiently, keeping your fulfillment operations running smoothly.